Hey, time to wake up. The sun has risen. What a deep sleeper. You do know that we need to... Tear stains. You dreamed of your sibling last night, didn't you? All right. Rest here a bit longer then. I'll head into the forest to investigate.
Halt! What do you think? This place is not whatever you think it is. Your travel companion. You mean your companion departed for the forest early this morning? That much I saw with my own eyes. What business is that of yours, All you need to know is that I claimed this place first, and what I do here is none of your concern. Do I make myself quite clear? Leave. Well, what are you waiting for? If you must, suit yourself. I've been observing you, and you don't look like a forest ranger, nor someone from the academia. Still, I'm warning you, no funny business. Promise me that, and you can do as you please. Okay, fine. Whatever. Just move aside. I'm heading in. You... Oh, go on then. Have it your way. I knew I wasn't going to be able to hide this anyway. Just come in. But no overreacting to anything you see in here, okay? Come on then. Mind your own business. Don't worry. He isn't aggressive. How could he be? He was too young for anything like that. So don't you lay a finger on him. Just find yourself a corner to rest if you're tired. Huh? You know Conria? Who are you? Exactly. And how do you know I'm from Conria? Do you worship a god, traveler? Sounds like you've had an eventful life. All right, well, my name is Ida, and you are correct. I was once Conrian. I apologize for my earlier hostility, but you must understand, as far as I'm concerned, humans who do not worship the Seven are nigh extinct, and all who place faith in the gods are That may be. But the fact is that chances to talk to people like yourself have been few and far. This a little gift given to the people of Conria by those vile gods. We lost our home, our loved ones, everything. The agony of the cataclysm itself was already too much to bear, but then came the curse. All we can do is watch helplessly as our souls erode. Because although Conria began with a single bloodline, it was any who forsook their gods and came to Conria were welcomed as our fellow citizens. When the cataclysm came, we pure-blood Conrians were declared the greater sinners. Upon us the gods placed the curse of immortality. But those whose ancestry belonged to the domains of other gods were punished with the curse of the wilderness as they fled, turning them into monsters. He is Caribert, my illegitimate son. How times have changed. I can say that out loud with no consequence now, but it was once a matter of unspeakable shame. I was a noble of Conria. I resented the life that my family had arranged for me. And then, one day, I met a beautiful woman. Caribert faced great hardship from the very moment of his birth. All due to might. After all that, he turned into a hilly troll right before my very eyes. I always owed him much, and now, at least I could. She was. We were separated. It could be worse. I suffer the pain, and now that I have lost almost everything, the little that remains I see with new. If nothing else, at least I still have Caribert. Yes, that reminds me. I only returned here to check on Caribert, but I do have other things I wish to do. Over here. I'm sure you're wondering why I brought Caribert here to... Well, it's because he needs a medicine that can only be made here. One which will help him to recover his clarity of mind. I do not hope to break the curse. I am well, but it is said that this medicine is imbued with the power of Sumeru's god of wisdom and can awaken the mind from a... I believe that it might just work. I read about it in a book. In my youth, I disliked the life of nobility, and the gods have already punished us. What does one... Never mind. As it happens, I am in... My hands don't have the dexterity they once did. Okay. To start with... Also, do you have any, of Sumeru's regional specialties on hand? I believe they're called Kalpalata lotuses and Sumeru roses. Oh, wonderful! Oh, and this is the method for... Is it done? In all honesty, I do not know what... Well, the moment has finally arrived. Curses. No, no! I said before that this medicine relies on the... Which means... we must pay a visit to us. Let's go.
With the wind.
Look at this statue. How can I bow before this god of wisdom? Look at me! I will utter no prayer, nor will I... You and your kind destroyed my home. Wrought unfathomable... You cannot mock God of wisdom. I seek not to disavow myself of the sinful blood that flows through my son. Caribert. He was turned into a monster before... If everything the gods have done was in order to then I bow to you now. All I ask is for a tiny please, God!
Huh? Go!
Caribert? Well, we've prepared the medicine. Caribert, it's me. It's your father. Caribert, Caribert, please say something. I'm sorry I couldn't be at your side when you were born. And that I failed to reach you and Mama in time when you both were suffering. But I'm here now. Papa's been by your side all these years. I've never left you, not once. Are you still angry with me, Caribert? I know you're awake now. Do you not want to talk to me? I'm so sorry, Cory Bear. Forgive me. Please, say something, anything. Please. Please. Oh, gods above. You took everything from here, and I still bowed to you. I'd give you my very life if only you cared to take it. But you won't even let me die. I knew it. I should never have the gods of this world have never stood with humanity, not even for a moment. Other reasons. What do you mean? Huh? You really think so? Give up? No, never. And even if I must stay here with him for... Let's go. The most crucial ingredient in this medicine is the unusual mushroom, which I grow them. The details don't matter, right? Curb your curiosity. And there is a waterfall near the statue I prayed at. I need you to collect some water from... I'll be here, watching Cory Bear. Once you're back, I will make some fertilizer for the mushrooms. Good. Then please head over.
Huh? Sir! Go! Huh?
You're back. Cory Bear's condition is stable. By which I mean he still isn't responding. Anyway, give... I need you to stand guard here for a while. Whatever you do, don't... good. I'll...
Into the wind. Clouds high. The birds call.
Go! Illusion shattered!
The wind knows me.
What happened? Was it monsters? Oh, thank goodness you were here. I couldn't have taken them. Oh, yes, I've got the fertilizer. The effects can take some time. Next, we pick the mushrooms and repeat the same steps as before to make another dose. Oh, sorry. I have been so very wary. I do indeed. That's why it was just a fleeting thought.
Time to go.
We're here. Wait a moment. Hey, what was that? Cory Bear! Oh no! He must have left while we were... Come on! That's not Cory Bear. Right. Cory Bear's scarf. My eyes must be going. Yes. Yes. The more... Did it go in here? Well... What a ghastly place. Has it always existed? It looks like they're worshipping. Sometimes walking, sometimes kneeling and I've never seen anything. Oh, there's only one way.
One with nature. Fallen leaves, adorn my night. Time to go. Into the wind.
Is this a teleportation device? What energy is powering it?
One with nature.
Shine down! Time to go!
To the wind! As one with wind and cloud! Time to go.
How did I get on the ceiling? Did the room turn upside down, or gravity itself? It seems like I need to find a place to insert the rune.
Time to go.
Humans, fate has not granted you the right to enter this place. Do you insist on an audience? Very well. then I grant you the trial of destiny.
Stabilize!
Illusion shattered! Now you shall perish!
Order guide you!
One with nature.
Higher, higher, hands on fire!
Desolation! I see dominion! Let's gather!
Shine down!
Stabilize!
The wind knows me. Clouds high. The birds call. One with nature.
Desolation!
Shot's over!
Shall succumb!
Who was that? He was a perfect being. I'm in awe. He had the most wondrous aura, a perilous yet beautiful power. Oh, truly mesmerizing. And yet, you were able to defeat him. Oh, Let's continue on. I find myself growing more curious by the second and more excited.
Go! Phew!
I think we've made it to the end.
Oh, dear creature, why do you bow down? For fear of the unknown? Or for power? Oh, dear creature, why do you bow down? For I am no god. You are like a flower, born in sin, yet pure, spotless. I know you need no longer hold back your resentment, nor accept the countless lies. Go forth, become a transcendent one. Rise beyond the fate bestowed upon you. And I shall shed a tear at the end of time, as I gaze back upon your life.
When I saw that thing, my heart was instantly at... I feel good In fact, I feel is that so? All right, as you wish. Cory Bear! Oh, thank goodness! He's still okay. I have a strange... For this to happen, right at the moment when I was dreading... You say that I bowed before that thing, so perhaps... I have to try. No matter what, you said it yourself. I have to exhaust all options. Cory Bear?
Papa?
Cory Bear? Oh, my goodness, it worked! It's You see? It worked! Cory Bear can speak again!
Where's Mama?
Mama is... Cory Bear, look at me. Do you know who I am?
Of course. Your Papa.
Yes. How do you feel, Cory Bear? Are you fully awake now?
Yes. It feels like I just woke up from a long, long sleep. I dreamed that I was hiding in a little room. I didn't dare go out the whole time, and I didn't want to either. Wait. My body! What happened to me? Is this me? Papa? What's happened to me?
Don't panic, son. It's just... While you were sleeping, we went into a fairy tale world. There's no more Conry here. No more home. But, do you know what that means? No more red sky. No more end of the world. In this world, you have to be a little monster, but you get to stay with Papa.
Am I dead?
No, of course not. Look, Cory Bear, you still have Mama's scarf on your arm. That means she's watching over you, protecting you. Yes, really. You've only just woken up, and this must all... And, you have to never take off your mask. Understand? Whatever happens, you mustn't take it off.
Okay, Papa. I won't. I promise.
Not since that day have I been so... I knew that placing my hope in the Seven was a waste of time. I even worse. Once a murderer, always a murderer. But the god we saw in that cave... Now, that wondrous power, it was... Now then... After one beseeches a god, and the god responds by answering their prayers, should they, piety is hardly my area of expertise. A sinner? Oh, don't be absurd. You and I have both witnessed his divine power. When has the Seven worked a miracle like this before? No matter. Believe what you will. I am going to pay my respects with or without you.
Huh? Go! Phew! Go! Huh? Phew! Go!
Solidify!
Into the wind. Time to go.
No. Impossible. What happened? The Hilichurl worshippers have disappeared too? Was it all an illusion? That's true. Yes, it can't have been an illusion. I still feel that awesome and wondrous power. It was neither illusion nor coincidence, and certainly no dream. Let's go, traveler. There is surely a reason for its disappearance, and I do believe that someday in the future we shall... Could he really have been a sinner and not a god? Cory Bear? Where has he gone? Oh, no, no, no. Maybe someone else came by and found him? No, it can't have been that. There's no sign of a break-in and no sign of anyone having... This does not bode well. What if he's spotted by a forest ranger or an adventurer in his current... Wait a minute. This isn't how we left it. Oh, no. Did he... The mirror! It's broken! He must have taken his mask off and seen what he looks like beneath it. If he'd just done as he was told! We have to find him. It's his scarf. He dropped it. Looks like we're going the right way. Come on.
Time to go.
Coribert! Coribert! Where are you? Curses! Forest Rangers.
Hey! Who are you? We haven't seen you around here before. What's your business here?
Have you seen a, hilly churl?
I asked you first. Don't make this more difficult.
I said, have you seen a hilly churl?
Hey, whoa! Look, sir, there are hilly churls everywhere. What's the big deal? We see plenty of them out here.
Exactly. Matter of fact, we just took out a few of them back there. Those dumb boneheads.
You Forest Ranger scum! You spawn of...
You're raving mad! You've got some gall coming here to our nation insulting the Forest Ranger!
Curse you all, Forest Rangers!
I don't get it. Why make such a huge fuss?
He'd only just regained his mind. So tell me, Forest Rangers, did you...
Jeez, you're really not gonna let this go. Fine, you weirdo. If you must know, I happened to cross paths with a solitary hilly churl when I left. I was frightened at first, but it didn't seem to have any interest in me at all. It was just bumbling along in that direction, so I left it alone.
Yes!
Wait, you're leaving? Not even a thanks for the
Time to go. Time to go.
Coribert! Coribert, stop! It's me! It's Papa! Whatever you saw, it was all... I told you, we're in a fairy tale world now. Nothing here is... Coribert? How could this happen? Come, Coribert! We have to go home now.
Papa?
Coribert,
Papa, I can't take it.
please, Coribert. It's my fault. I'm so sorry. If only I'd known.
It's all too much. Papa?
I see. I understand now. Finally, it all makes sense. Aha! Traveler! You're awake! Finally, we can rejoice together. Wait, no. Why am I still calling you Traveler? Oh, I have known your true identity for some time. Oh, of course you haven't. With your status, you can hardly be expected to know all of us. In any case, I've been using a fake name this entire time. Ida is the name of a servant I once had. My real name is Clotar. Clotar Alberich. You saw it too, didn't you? unmistakable. The power inside Caribert and the power of the one you call a sinner. It was one and the same. Yeah, I am positive now. It's the power of the abyss, isn't it? Oh, at long last, I have seen it with my own eyes. That is no business of yours. A sinner. Yes. Salvation for a sinner can only come from a sinner. Caribert did not deserve his fate, but now it's wonderful. He will be able to weave his own destiny anew. Born into abject sorrow, he shall now become the loom of fate. Sinister. Dangerous. Oh, I never imagined that you, of all people, would deny the abyss. How ridiculous! We once believed that you would bring new strength and hope to Conria. To us, you were the abyss. A wondrous mystery far beyond our imagination and comprehension. And the one who controls the abyss can control everything. We yearned for that future. We looked to you to take us there. But what did you bring us instead? Oh, Prince of Conria.
What did he just call me?
Traveler! Hey, Traveler! Traveler!
You're awake! Oh, thank goodness you're awake! Paimon was worried sick! Traveler? Traveler?
What happened while you were unconscious? I checked the ley lines nearby. It appears that the Abyss tampered with them, and they've been in turmoil ever since. Information and memories flow within the ley lines. What did you witness? You mean Clotar Alberich? After founding the Abyss Order, his faith in the Abyss led him to do a great many things. But the curse of immortality continued to torment his body and mind. And in the end, neither his faith nor the Abyss he worshipped could save him. After 100 years, he lost his mind completely and was never seen again. Yet his dark legacy lived on. The defiled statue that we encountered previously was just one perverse product of his use of abyssal power during his life. You could say that. He wouldn't be the Abyss Order's prince otherwise.
Are you alright? You have a troubled look on your face. What happened?
So you saw his memories from centuries ago through your own eyes. It all but defies belief. Still, as I'd suspected, The notion of the loom of fate did indeed rear its head during that time. And it seems closely connected to Clothar Alberich's son, Caribert, and what happened to him. And yet your brother never breathed a word of this incident to me. I wonder, was that the moment that he decided to go down this path? Indeed. Clearly, this series of events sparked a long period of deep contemplation. What is it?
The field? What does that have to do with anything?
You mean here? Well, let's start digging and see.
You scared the Duke out of Paimon! Did you rebury them yet?
A male and female skeleton, buried together. Interestingly, the male skeleton appears to have been interred much later, and it's holding a silk scarf in its hand. But what does this mean? And how did you know that there were bodies buried here? What? That's impossible. Unless Clothar Alberich finally found a way to rid himself of the curse. This all raises far too many questions. I need time to think, and to search my memories for some missing pieces. We should part ways here.
Huh? You're just gonna leave? Why? You could come with us, you know.
It's better that we split up for now. I think that he might have seen you.
Who's he?
Yes. I have my suspicions as to his identity, but I need to confirm some other details before I can be sure. If the time is right, I will tell you when we next meet.
But what do you mean that he saw the Traveler? How is that possible?
I fear that while these things would limit anyone else, they are no obstacle to him.
What? Why? What is he?
All right, let's leave it there. Get some rest. Goodbye.
There goes Dane. And just like that, it's... What is it? Huh?